This is the Rockery tabletop water fountain from Amazon, and to be honest, this is the best home decor addition in my room. As you can see, this tabletop water fountain has 3 small ports and one big port. When you will switch on this tabletop water fountain, the water starts flowing gently from one port to another port and it keeps on moving. This tabletop water fountain has a one large plant tree which is attached to the upper side of this tabletop water fountain. As you can see, this tabletop water fountain has 3 small LED lights which look so much beautiful during the night time. This tabletop water fountain is the best addition in my home. To be honest, this is the best home decor product that I have found on Amazon. This tabletop water fountain is the best home decor addition. You can place it in your bookshelf, on your side table, and even in your dining room. This tabletop water fountain has 4.1 star rating on the Amazon, and almost 200 plus units have bought in the previous month. This is the best home decor addition. You can send it as a gift to your family member, to your mother, and even to your husband. If you want to buy this, then I will provide the link in the description. Yes, you can buy it from Amazon.